The future of trading belongs to those who can combine deep market knowledge with innovative thinking and psychological resilience. That's not just our curriculum, it's our promise. My name is Julie Cook, and I'm the president of the International Trading Institute. At ITI, we don't just teach trading strategies, we teach you how to think about the market. The psychological aspect of trading is where most trading education falls short. Here, we introduce it into everything we do. It's about building up a trader's mindset. The network that we use to develop and teach this program is incredible. It's a mixture of world-class academics who can give you the structures and frameworks you need to really understand the market, and a group of successful expert traders with the hands-on practical knowledge that will tell you how to use it. Our Masters in Trading program is a virtual program, which is very high touch and very interactive. We will be using trading simulations, live trading sessions, trading projects, and you will receive mentoring from experts in the trading industry. We've partnered with the Society of Technical Analysts to develop our technical analysis curriculum. So every student who enrolls in our program will be eligible to sit for and earn their certificate in technical analysis, both Phase 1 and Phase 2. At ITI, we take trading education seriously. This is not a place for get-rich-quick schemes. We combine academically rigorous curriculum with practical application taught by industry experts. Enroll now and join an elite cohort of traders who want to improve their trading skills today and shape the markets of tomorrow.